In this video we have the integral of ln of x over 1 plus ln of x quantity squared. Substitution doesn't seem to be there at this point here. A lot of times when you have the ln of x involved, it's going to be integration by parts. So we want to find something that we can differentiate easily and something we can integrate. The technique that's often used, and I've used it before in other videos, is to add 0 to the integrand, or maybe the numerator of the integrand, or multiply by 1. So notice if I multiply the top by x and the bottom denominator by x over x is 1. So I'm multiplying by 1. So I haven't changed the integral, just written in a different form. And I can differentiate this using the product rule. And if I look at 1 over x times this quantity here, letting t equal to 1 plus ln of x, and I got the x in the bottom, that's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let u equal to x ln of x, and 1 over x times 1 plus ln of x will be my dv. So this is what we have then. Your formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv will equal to the product of u and v minus the integral of v du. So here's u equal to x ln of x, which is what I just said. And then using the product rule here, it will be, say, the second times the derivative of the first, ln of x times x. ln of x times the derivative of x would be 1, so that would give me this. And then x times the derivative of ln of x, that's 1 over x, that's going to be the 1. Doesn't matter what order you do this, but either way we get this times dx. So that's going to be your du. And the dv will be 1 or 1 dx over the denominator. Remember, we multiplied it by x. So taking the integral here, with respect to v on the left side rather, and on the right with respect to x, integral of dv would be v. And then here, on the side here, since we already used u, I'll use a t substitution and let t equal to 1 plus ln of x. Then dt equal, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of ln of x is 1 over x dx. So this dx here over x, dx over x is dt. So I got dt over this quantity here, but that's your t. I should say this quantity here. So dx over x, that's your dt. And the denominator right here, that's t, so this will be t squared. So this is the integral of t to the negative 2 dt. Integrate with respect to t, we had 1 there, we had t to the negative 1. And then divide the coefficient by negative 1. This will be a minus here. So this will be minus 1. Take this to the denominator, this will be t. But what is t? In this case, t is 1 plus ln of x. So that's how I got this right here. Negative 1 over t. And t is 1 plus ln of x. Now we have all the parts needed to complete the integration using integration by parts. So this is equal to then the integral. And it's in the formula is u times v. So there's u and there's v. Multiply those out. That's going to be a minus x ln of x. And that's over this denominator of 1 plus ln of x. And then it's minus here, right here, or at this point right here, v du. So it's v du. V is right here, and du is right here. So if we multiply these out, notice the ln of x is going to cancel. 1 plus ln of x, rather, with 1 plus ln of x, and dx right there. So it's going to be minus dx. That's what I'm going to have left after doing this operation here. V times du, v times du right here. So this is just going to be a plus here, double negative, and you can call this a 1 dx. So what I've got then, this is not an integral here, because we're at this point, we're on the right side. So u times v is this. That's the first part of the answer. So again, first part of the answer is minus x, ln of x, over 1 plus ln of x. Double negative here. This is just the integral then of 1 dx, which is an x. So this would be a plus then. X plus the constant of integration. And this really is the answer here. But a lot of times you'll see the answer simplified more. So that's combined here, multiplying here by 1 plus ln of x, and multiplying the numerator by 1 plus ln of x. Now we have the same denominator, so it's going to be x times the ln of x will give us this here, and that's going to go to 0. So all we're going to have left then in the numerator is x over 1 plus ln of x plus the constant of integration. So find our answer then. In simplified form here is x over 1 plus ln of x plus the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.